Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your income with Envestnet beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for an Envestnet account on their website. Once you have created your account, log into the platform using your credentials. Explore the user dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Access the income management section from the main menu. Start by linking your bank accounts for seamless tracking of your income and expenses. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial accounts. Once your accounts are linked, review your income sources displayed on the dashboard. Take time to categorize your income, such as salary, freelance work, or passive income. Consider setting monthly income goals to help guide your financial planning. Utilize the budgeting tools provided by Envestnet to create a personalized budget based on your income. Input your fixed and variable expenses into the system for accurate tracking. Regularly monitor and adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. Explore the reports section to analyze where your income is coming from versus where it is going. Use these insights to identify areas where you can optimize your spending. Set up alerts or notifications to keep track of important financial milestones. Consider scheduling regular reviews of your income management strategy, maybe monthly or quarterly. Keep an eye out for Envestnet's educational resources for further tips and strategies. Finally, feel empowered to make informed decisions about your income management with the tools at your disposal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.